Chris, thank you. In Laurel County, a severe storm caused quite a mess near London this afternoon.
A first responder had to be rushed to the hospital when strong winds blew off the roof of her home. That storm also damaged some other buildings and brought down trees. Phil Pendleton talked to people who saw it happen. He continues our First Alert weather team coverage.
And what happens?
James Sexton says his granddaughter just had severe weather drills at school when they looked out their window today to see their neighbor's roof take flight.
And we looked up and the top of the trailer come completely off. And as it moved up this way, then it took the piece of that barn roof off.
EMT Mary Messer and paramedic Danny Pratt lived in the home on Sasser School Road. Messer was rushed to the hospital for a leg injury.
My daughter-in-law was a nurse, and she ran inside and helped the girl inside. She had a bruise on her bottom part of her leg. I thought she said it may be a small fracture.
While Messer was being treated, other first responders worked in the pouring down rain to remove valuables and to put a temporary cover over the roofless home.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, our job is 24/7, no matter what the weather conditions are, and as long as it's safe to keep our guys working, you know, we're going to work as hard as we can.
Messer was said to be pretty banged up by the storm, but was treated and released from the local hospital. Firefighters say they did what they could to save what they could.
Taking a lot of their personal belongings out, moved what else we could over to the only one section that has a little bit of a roof left.
Emergency officials say they believe the damage was caused by straight-line winds, but the National Weather Service is supposed to be out Wednesday to survey it further. In Laurel County, Phil Pendleton, WKYT.
Laurel County first responders say some small buildings were also damaged, including a shed near Bush Elementary School. Storms also caused damage in other parts of southern Kentucky. Lona shared this picture from Corbin showing a tree knocked over by strong winds. It fell onto a shed. You can track storms and the latest traffic with the WKYT Weather Plus Traffic app. You can download it for free in the app or Google Play stores.